Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading coming at you here with another trade lesson video looking at an hourly chart of PTON Interactive Incorporated Consumer Cyclical Sector PTON. Let's get into it. So, first of all, we obviously have this on our weekly trade watch this going into this week's session. If you haven't checked out that video, go have a look first. We'll actually talked about our plan for taking this thing lower. It's obviously started bleeding out last week. It was just a clean continuation. There's a number of reasons, obviously off the technicals, intraday fundamentals. There's a lot of things pushing this thing down, and there's obviously key levels acting as what? Magnets. So we had a plan of attack to take this thing down off our obviously weekly that we put up every week, every Sunday, Saturday night, Sunday, depending on what we got going on. You know, at the end of the day, like we always talk about, you know, anything off our weekly, we can be completely wrong and just scrap it for the week session. Or, you know, we're just late or just early and, you know, getting involved. We actually took a stop in the beginning of this trade yesterday, earlier in the session. We obviously anticipated the continuation, got in a little early, ended up taking a cut. So we just had to wait. We obviously waited, got right back in a little bit later, when we started to see what we needed to see, and obviously our plan started to become a little more clear. We actually jumped the gun a little bit. It was definitely an error, which we all make. We're human, guys, all right? So at the end of the day, that's why we set our risk, and we have to respect that. When we do take the stops, get out, take a step back, reevaluate. If you're right, get back in. If you're not, don't cry, move on, all right? So anyway, let's get into how we ended up trading this thing to the downside. Where we got involved, why we got involved. You know, obviously, if you've seen the weekly watch the video, you know why. But more importantly, let's talk the levels and our game plan, how we end up getting involved. Obviously, where we stopped out and how we got back in, why we got back in, all the good stuff. Let's talk business, let's talk levels. Let's get down to it.